see your sweatshirt, Carter.
What we got going on here?
I'm gonna do some noodling, brother.
Hey, let's go to the lake, bud.
We're going to the lake, bud.
Let's do it.
Mona Lisa hand fishing. Right there. Leonardo shit.
That's Leonardo.
Well, we've made it out to Kansas. We're gonna do some what do you call it?
We're gonna do some noodling, son.
We're gonna do some noodling. We're gonna get out here with Grant and Carter. Grant's the master at this stuff, so he's gonna put us on. We're gonna get out there and let her rip. Where are we heading out to right now? Where are we heading out to?
Bell Lake, Little Wolf Creek.
Little Wolf Creek.
We just got back on the boat. Been noodling here the last hour or so. Gotta go pick these guys up. But we also got done pulling up some channel cats. Think, well, hey, how many channel cats did you get? 3, 4? A piece. Yeah, a good bit. So we're about to head out now and go after these flatheads, which are way bigger catfish.
Yep.
So
Smooth poop. You're just saying.
That was perfect.
I'm about to pick this fish right here. No, not by his tail. Wait. He's right
Pull
here.
him out. Pin him down.
He's right here.
Grab his tail and pin his head down. Grab his tail, pin his head down.
Stay right there.
Don't
I got
let-
his tail. I'm gonna bring him to you. Ow!
There he is! There he is!
Yeah.
Woo! Let's go!
Let's go!
Woo!
Hell yeah.
30 pounders.
let's go.
See how I got my arm through the gills?
Hey, that was not easy.
No.
That one was not easy.
I had this fucker like this. I got him right here. Just come over here.
Okay, I had his fucking tail.
See how I have my arm through his gills? We just worked on that fish for probably 30, 45 minutes. It took all of us surrounding this old boat ramp right here, and we were all in each little hole, sticking sticks in there, trying to get the fish to move. Finally, we all three got our freaking hands around it, and Grant just wrestled him out. Hell yeah, son. Oh, still makes you nail my ass. Let's go. TFATP, baby.
Yes, sir.
The other one was a little heavier, but this is a good one right here, though. What do we do? Spend 30 minutes on this fish?
Yeah, yeah. Let's go. That's how it's done, y'all. That's how it's done. That's crazy. That is crazy. Carter, hold that one up. Carter. Hey, you two hold them up.
Another day at the office right here. Good stuff, buddy.
So why are you cutting the tail?
I cut it because it drains the blood.
And then you just bleed the fish out?
Yep. See that?
Yeah.
That's what makes it taste bad.
Help get some of that bloodline out of there.
Mm-hmm.
Let him sit in the water for a little bit.
I love case knives.
They're good knives.
They are good knives.
Sponsor us at Case.
Yep. I'll fillet anything with case. I skin my deer with that knife.
Oh yeah.
You can cut right along the ribs. So
Keep the rib bones out of the fillet.
Keep the rib bones out of the fillet.
Good looking fillet right there.
Pretty good. And just wash him off first. So I gotta get some belly meat out of here.
So getting the belly meat out, huh?
Mm-hmm. The best meat on
Like
the
a
fish.
tenderloin right there.
It's the best meat. We'll fillet that in a minute. Look at that little shoulder piece here that I just kind of missed it.
All right.
See?
Mm-hmm. It's kind of like a big collar. Like guys will take the collar out, have
Gotta be
those pack
careful.
fins attached to them.
Yeah, you gotta be careful though, because you can get rib meat and it's
Yeah.
still in the belly.
Heck yeah. Grant working on the fillets. A couple fillets, some belly meat. Little fish fry tonight, brother.
Oh yeah. Good as an understatement.
Flathead tacos. Man, I look busted. We out here, son. We out here.
Got a baggie.
I'll go grab one. Taking a little lunch break. We brought the Blackstone out. Got some Powerades, got some sunscreen, all the essentials. Check out what Carter's got going on right here. What do you say, brother?
Some burgers for the boys.
Chase, say hey to YouTube, buddy. You're on camera.
Hey,
Hey! What you doing, son?
putting together the 2022 to 23 Bucks and Ducks tour.
Oh, Lord. Y'all heard that first. We're going on tour, boys and girls. Boys and girls, we are going on tour. We got, listen, we've already caught some flatheads, skinned them, flayed them out. They're in the cooler. We got fillets on ice, and Carter's just over here doing the most right now. My God, yeah, pick that one up and put it back down again. Yeah, just like that. Just like that. Look, we're just pulled up on the ramp. Listen, there ain't a care in the world out here.
Get these juices out here, so now that these burgers are cooked, we can get a nice little sear.
Oh, okay. He's gonna sear them now. So what he was doing there is just providing a little base now. He's got pink Himalayan salt on there, a little garlic salt, a little voodoo. I mean, come on.
We didn't bring ketchup and mustard.
Stay tuned for the end
mayo.
product. Man, here he is.
Here ye,
In the flesh, the man, the myth, the legend, Carter Gale. Yeah, bring the Waffle House sauce over here.